Hello, welcome to section 3, Type Conversions. Converting types among one another will be a very common operation during your daily programming activities. Therefore, knowing how they work is important. In this section, I will show you some practical examples as to how to effortlessly convert one type to another. We're going to start off with learning how to convert Boolean values to a string value. So let's get back to our editor. As first thing, I'm going to create a new file. And here we're going to have a main function as always. So imagine that we have a variable called isNew, and that is a Boolean variable, so the value is true. So let's say that we want to print it out to our console with some message. So I'm going to have a message like purchased item is new. And as you see, that we see a compile time error here, and it says is new and the string value here are not compatible types, so that you cannot use this plus operator. So we need to convert the is new Boolean value to its string representation. Let's go and use this string convert package that has various string conversion functions in it. So I'm going to use format bool, which is taking a Boolean value and returns a string representation of it. So in this case, it's is new. And if you look at this signature, you'll see that it returns true or false based on the value of the Boolean value passed. So here, I'm going to say is new str, which is string. So now I can say this is new string. And now I'm just going to print it out. Okay, so let's run this. As you see, it says purchased item is true. That looks okay. There is another way if you want to print such values to the console. And that is called printf. So it can actually format various types to the console. In this case, what I can say, for instance, we can use some special characters that we kind of went over in one of our previous videos. I'm just gonna say s for string, and we can use v, and that is to say whatever the default value of a given variable. So that means what I can do here is I can say is message, and I can say is new. See that I didn't use is new string because now I can use any type here. And this will find its default representation to string. So let's actually remove this guy over here. And you know that Go does not accept unused variables, so I'm just going to comment it out. And now we can run this. And as you see, Go doesn't also accept any unused packages. So we're just going to remove this package over here. And let's try again. Now we get the same message as before. And this is how you can easily convert Boolean types to a string.